Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Hilary Wills, and in today's video I'm going to show you a profitable business idea that is called BSF. So BSF in full means black soldier flies, and it's a profitable business idea that you can make to the tunes of 100,000 per month if you are able to do it correctly, and you are able to generate the important or valuable products that are really on high demand in the market. So if this information makes sense to you, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can ask me questions in the comment section, and I'll be able to give you my feedback. So without wasting too much time, let's dive into the details. What are these black soldier flies? Now, black soldier flies looks like this. We have this black color you can see on the body. You have these black wings, but I don't want to go into those technical and those scaring details. I know you are interested in the business part of these insects. So why black soldier flies? Now, black soldier flies are belong to the same family as the house flies, but their difference comes from the fact that they are not harmful to the environment. They don't transmit diseases like the house flies, and they multiply rapidly. Okay, then their larvae is rich in protein, and it's easy to rear these insects because they just feed on organic waste. You don't need to buy food for them. You just need to find ways of collecting organic wastes, then you feed these insects. For example, if you can manage to obtain waste from hotels or waste from your own household, you will be able to provide food to the flies, and they will be able to give you the product that you can sell to the market. So what are the main products I'm talking about? Now, the first product you are going to harvest from this insects or project is the frass. The frass is the excretory wastes that comes from the larvae. As they grow, they feed and grow and excrete. So you are going to make what we call ammonia. Ammonia is a very good fertilizer that is good for horticultural products like tomatoes, berries, onions, and many other crops. So these fertilizers are currently on high demand because it is expensive to produce, and most of them are imported from the country. So if you can generate a good fertilizer that is rich in ammonia, you have a very good product that you can sell to our farmers. Then we also have the second most important product in this venture, which is called the animal feed. The animal feed will come from the growing larvae. Now, the dried larvae is harvested and can be used as animal feed for chicken, and can also be used for feeding pigs. It can also be used for feeding the fish. So you can see it is a highly valuable product based on the fact that these three products are really on high demand in Kenya, and the supply of their feeds is a little bit complicated or expensive. So we are going to look at the life cycle of BSF, beginning from the adult flies. They lay eggs, then the eggs hatch into first insta larvae. The larvae will grow into second and third insta larvae, where you can start harvesting the animal feed. But if you want the larvae with the highest level of protein, you wait until they grow into 5 insta, where they start becoming black in color. So that is in brief about the life cycle and where you can harvest products. So what is the value chain? Now in this value chain, we've talked about the animal feed, which can be obtained by harvesting the larvae. Then you grind them into powder that can be used for as feed for chicken. You can also have a powder that is used for feeding the pigs and the fish. So apart from the animal feed, we have the ammonia fertilizer that comes from the excretory products of larvae. Now this organic fertilizer is used for agricultural production, horticultural products like fruits and vegetables. They will really do well if they are given the ammonia rich fertilizer. So what are the interesting figures in this venture? Number one, if you are doing in a small space of 5 by 10 meters, you can be able to produce to the tunes of 2 tons of feed in a month. Now 2 tons of feed, you will be able to sell the 2 tons at 100,000. Okay, so that will be good money, considering that you are recycling wastes. So what do you need to get started? You need a space. You need a good space where you can put the structures for raising the larvae. A good space means that you cannot do it within your house because of the how do you call it, there's a lot of how do I'm talking about the pollution. You find that the ammonia is highly pollutant. Smell, that's the word. The smell can be so a source of discomfort. So you need a space, then you need supplies, things like crates. You need like shelves where you will keep the growing larvae. Then you need a bit of technical knowledge on how to attract the flies, how to collect the eggs, how to harvest the larvae, and so on. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. If you need the training on this business, you can reach to me, and I'll be able to provide information. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.